Lesson 17, Part 3, Compound Words, Vocabulary. You have already learned all of the words that occur 30 times or more in the New Testament. That is 464 words. However, there are another 4,931 words that show up in the New Testament. Of those 4,931, 178 of them show up 20 to 29 times, 486 show up 10 to 19 times, 2,239 of them show up 2 to 9 times, and 1,927 show up only once. Don't let that overwhelm you, though. The total number of words in the New Testament is just over 140,000, but there are only a little over 5,000 different words. The 464 words that show up 30 times or more make up 84.4% of the words in the New Testament by number of occurrences. The definite article all by itself makes up 14% of the New Testament, and Kai is another 6%. The other 4,931 words only make up 15.6% of the New Testament. Because of this, it's not helpful to memorize the remaining 4,931 words, but there are some shortcuts that we can use to learn some of the words. In this lesson, we're going to learn 140 words that are a combination of two words that we already know. They are broken down below into categories based on the prefixes. Each section is followed by flashcards and quizzes on the lesson page. When these show up on quizzes or tests, they will be matching. However, they may also show up in translations where they won't be matching, so make sure that you have at least a decent handle on what these mean. So ana in compounds normally means up again or up, and the list of words are going to be on the lesson page. I'm not going to read through every single one of them for you, but we're going to go through the basic ideas of the compounds here. Anti in compounds normally means against. You can English's word anti comes from this. Apa normally means from or away. Dia means through. Ace means into. Ek means out of, from, or away. En means inner, into. Now, do note, N becomes M before a mu. This is something called morphophonemics, which if you take the phonology class, you'll learn about letters becoming like the sounds that are around them. N becomes ang before a gamma. Epi in a compound normally means on. You means good. We've seen euangelizo and euangelion, meaning good news, or I preach the good news. You means good in Greek. Kakos means evil. Kata means down or against. Meta, with or after. Para, alongside. Peri, about or around. Pra, before. Pros, to. Huper, above. Hupa, under. Pseuda, false. Like pseudonym, a false name, or we even use this in English sometimes, putting pseudo in front of something to mean sort of fake, that kind of idea. And then soon means with or together, and this also has some morphophonemic things going on. Soon becomes sum before a mu, beta, or p. Soon becomes sung before a gamma or a kappa. It becomes just plain su before a sigma or a zeta, and it becomes sul before a lambda. So that nu is going to become like the letter that's after it. And you'll want to go ahead to the lesson page, look through all those words, play through the flashcards and the quizzes, and then take the review afterward.